Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Well, dear students, let's look at the next set of questions from 24th onwards. If x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to 16, then dy by dx at 2, 2 is, alright. So we have to find dy by dx, but this is base and power both are variables, so use logarithmic differentiation. So use take log both sides. So if you take log both sides, this is what you will get. Okay, now a log of xy is log x plus log y. So this is log x to the power y in plus log y to the power x, which is equal to log 16. Correct. Now this is anything as a power comes before log. So y into log x, and what about this? X comes before log and becomes x log y, and that is equal to log 16. Don't worry about this. Okay, this is a constant. While differentiation it becomes 0, so no problem. Now differentiate. See, when you differentiate with respect to x, use the product rule. First function y as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx plus here also product rule, x into log y. There are two functions. So first function, derivative of log y 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y as it is into derivative of x is 1, and that is equal to log 16 derivative is 0. Now what we have to get is dy by dx at 2, 2. Well, you can directly go for 2, 2 everywhere, alright. You will get dy by dx easily, but if you want to have a standard solution for this, I'll give the standard solution also, but in the exam directly you can put 2, 2 in place of x 2 and in place of y also 2. Substitute, simplify, you will have the answer in the form of one of these options. Well, now this is y by x. I am going in for the detailed solution. Okay, alright, just for your notes. Now you have to take dy by dx common. If you do that, see this log y, let me write it first, and here I have dy by dx common. So this is log x plus x by y into dy by dx, that is equal to 0. Well, okay, so we need dy by dx. So this is log x plus x by y into dy by dx, and that is equal to, this becomes negative on the other side, and that is y by x plus log y, and this part will be divided, right. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x plus log y divided by you have got x by y plus log x, or log x plus x by y. You can change the position, no problem, because it is addition. Now what about dy by dx at 2, 2? So substitute 2 here and 2 here. 2 by 2 is 1 plus log 2 over here, and divided by, yes, So divided by, this is also 2 by 2. So again 1 plus x is also 2, so log 2 over here as well, so that cancels. Okay, so you will be left with only minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Option A is the answer for question number 24. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so 25, question number 25, you have got y is equal to e to the power x plus. Now, look at this term, e to the power x plus, e to the power x plus, so on up to infinity. This part is again y or not? Correct. So one term less doesn't make a difference when you have infinite terms. I have told this technique already, so you have to take it as y. Now this is so much easier. You have to take log both sides and differentiate. It will give you one of these options in a very easier way, in quite a few steps. Well, now take log both sides, and this is log e to the power x plus y. Alright, please understand that step, taking it as y. Okay, so one term less doesn't make a difference. That's what you have to keep in mind. Now this x plus y comes before log, and log e to the base e obviously is 1, so this is only x plus y, and here you have got log y. You can differentiate, or you can bring that y here, or let us differentiate. What is the derivative of log y with respect to x? Log y is 1 by y into derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is dy by dx, hence you have got 1 by y dy by dx and minus dy by dx, which is equal to 1, and if you take dy by dx common, you will have 1 by y minus 1. Now just simplify this, so dy by dx, take LCM, 1 and minus this y comes here. When you take the LCM, divided by y, which is equal to 1, so finally dy by dx is equal to y on the numerator and 1 minus y on the denominator. So y by 1 minus y, which is option C, hence option C is the answer for question number 25. So important thing in this question is taking the term as y. Okay, so except this term, the next term onwards take it as y again, because there are infinite terms. Just one term more or one term less doesn't matter. Okay, now come to the question number 26. You have got x and y given in terms of t. What do you call them? Parametric forms. Okay, so from here we begin parametric functions. So when you have the expressions x and y given in terms of parameter t or theta in this case, okay, then how do you find the derivative? First you have to find dx by dt, because the parameter is t, differentiate that with respect to t, and then you differentiate y with respect to t again, then what is dy by dx? That is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So these two answers must be divided, you will get dy by dx. That's the technique we should use for derivatives of parametric functions. Well, now let's begin with the 26. You have got x there, so that can be reduced. So take x is equal to tan theta. Okay, that means theta will be tan inverse x, right? Theta will be tan inverse x. Now what will be x there? T. Take t as tan theta, I am sorry. Okay, take t as tan theta, and this will be tan inverse t. Okay, now x is like 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now what is it? 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. Yes, that is cos 2 theta. Correct. Well, now you have x is equal to cos 2 theta. Let it be like that. Let's not substitute theta there because derivative will be difficult. For y also substitute t is equal to tan theta, the same, and this will be like 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now if you have got 1 plus tan square, then it is sin 2 theta. If you have got 1 minus, then it is tan 2 theta. So this is sin 2 theta, right? So now differentiate. So what is dx by d theta? Now you have got theta as a parameter, so differentiate with respect to theta. Now derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into 2, derivative of 2 theta is 2, then sin 2 theta. Okay, so what is dy by d theta? Derivative of sin is cos 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. Now finally, what is dy by dx? Dy by d theta first, correct, divided by dx by d theta, hence this is cos 2 theta into 2 divided by minus 2 and then sin 2 theta, can cancel out 2, cos by sin is cot, right. So this is cot, and you have got 2 theta. Now you can substitute cot 2 theta, correct. So in place of 2 theta, that will be 2 tan inverse t, then you have to simplify that, or you can try for another method. All right, now look at this. You can write that as cot 2 theta. But what is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is x, okay, and sin 2 theta in the denominator, that is y, and there is a minus sign. So minus x by y, because in the options you have y by x, x by y and all. So that's in the option C. Therefore, that's the answer. If you write cot 2 theta, you don't have that in the option, and substitution and then simplification is a very tedious job. Okay, so that will give you different answer in terms of t or theta, but we need the answer in terms of x and y. Therefore, straight away substitute these quantities. So that's a straightforward question. Let's move on to the question number 27, the last question for this class. Alright, so 27, question number 27, x is given in terms of theta, y is given in terms of theta, therefore parametric. So, first let me differentiate y, right, because I need dy by dx at the end. So, let me differentiate y first. So, dy by d theta, first a as it is, then derivative of sine raised to 4, x raised to 4, 4x cube. So, sine raised to 4 is 4 sine cube into derivative of sine theta. So, what is the derivative of sine theta? Cos theta. I hope you know that chain rule, right? So, you have to take sine as u, and this is like u to the power 4. So, this is 4u cube into derivative of u, derivative of sine is cos. Well, let's move on to the next. What is dx by d theta? You have got a constant, keep it as it is, into derivative of cos to the power 4 is 4 cos cube into derivative of cos is minus sine. Now, what is dy by dx? That is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, which is 4a and then sine cube into cos divided by minus 4a and cos cube into sine theta. Well, so 4a you can cancel out straight away. So, this is minus, and you can cancel out sine once and also cos once. So, you will have sine square divided by cos square, correct? Well, now what is sine square by cos square? It is tan square theta. Well, you have got tan square theta, that is dy by dx, but we need at theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, just substitute that, you have your answer. So, what is dy by dx? At theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. See, this is equal to minus tan square 3 pi by 4. How do you simplify that? Well, so keep that minus as it is. What is the meaning of tan square? That is tan raised to tan 3 pi by 4 whole square. That's the meaning of tan square, tan into tan, okay, twice. Now, how do you write this 3 pi by 4? You can write it as pi minus pi by 4, is it not? So, pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. When you take the LCM, 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi. Now, which quadrant does it belong to? Pi minus. So, this is the first quadrant, and here you have got second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative, correct? So, that will be minus tan. If you have pi, it remains pi itself. So, that is tan pi by 4 the whole square, right? Now, the thing you have to note is, don't multiply minus into minus and write plus here. This is minus whole square. So, this part will become minus, but this minus will remain minus itself. So, this is minus and whole square becomes plus tan pi by 4 the whole square, or you can substitute first and then also you can simplify. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, and that is whole square. So, this is minus, and minus 1 whole square is plus 1, hence the answer is minus 1, which is option A. So, don't make a mistake of multiplying these two negative signs. You have got square first, so that has to be addressed first, and then you can use the minus sign which is outside the bracket. So, hence the answer is option A for question number 27. So, that's it for today's class. So, as I always say, keep practicing more and more questions. So, once again, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.